Welcome back, my dear friends. My pranam to everyone. Myself, I am Devi Chakka from New Jersey, USA. Before starting this session, my heartfelt tributes to my mom and my Guruji Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji to giving this wonderful knowledge to me. So, my dear friends, welcome back. Welcome to another beautiful day. We are celebrating 7th day of Devi Navaratri today. Today, goddess name is Kalaratri Devi. Mata Kalaratri represent the energy dynamism. What is dynamism, my dear friends? Energy or force that will organize and make a positive changes to correct the policy that is not right. Those who make great changes within themselves and who make those great changes after within themselves, they make these changes in communities and societies. And those people called dynamic people. We all have this energy within us, my dear friends. All goddesses and forms of goddesses is our own energies. To be aware of this energy, one must need to meditate. My dear friends, meditation is the main key to unlock all our energies. So let me explain in detail about meditation. If you get clarity how important meditation is, that will help you participate in and practice meditation uh, with interest, and you are able to do intense meditation. So with that intense meditation, it will help you to awake all those energies within you. Meditation means making our mind empty. For that, we need to observe our normal, natural, easy, soft flow of our breath. That's it. But why breath? Is there any particular reason to observing our breath? Yes, my dear friends, our breath is the gateway to our harmony, and that our breath is a gateway to human consciousness, to higher consciousness. Our breath is our guru. We start our lives with our first breath and we leave this body with our last breath. And breath is one who holding our soul in this physical body. Many great masters and yogis describe a lot about breath, my friends. So, great yogi, one yogi described about Mata Kalika. Today, goddess name is Kalika Devi, right? So, first know about Kalika Devi. This Mata Kalika Devi and breath is interconnected. Let me explain how it is. So, the great yogi called Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami, he is the one who said Kala Jnanam. So, he also wrote a hymn called Kali Kamba Saptasati. There is 700 slokas in that, poems in that hymn. And every sloka will end with the line Kali Kamba Hamsa Kali Kamba. Why this line? He explained why he put that line at the end of all slokas. Kalikambaya Leela Vinodambu Kadu Kadu Hamsa Kalikambe. Hamsa Kalikamba Atma Kalika Suma Kalikamba Hamsa Kalikamba. He also, in Kalikamba Saptasati, the goddess name is Kalaratri, and every sloka end with this Kalikamba. Kalikamba, Hamsa Kalikamba, and the how name itself Kalikamba Saptasati. So Kalikamba, why this name? He said Hamsa Kalika. Kalikamba, Hamsa Kalikamba. Hamsa Kalika Suma, Atma Kalikamba, Hamsa Kalik Suma. Atma means soul, my dear friends. Kalikamba means soul's energy. Hamsa means breath. Hamsa Kalikamba means breath is your soul energy. Soul's energy, that's what he said. Hamsa Kalikamba, Atma Kalika Suma. Kalika means Atma, which is our soul. Hamsa Kalikamba means our breath is energy of soul. Kalikamba Hamsa Kalikamba means our breath is the energy of soul. Energy of soul is our breath. That's what he said at the end of each and every sloka. A wonderful discrimination, my friends. There is a lot of secrets behind our breath. When we breath without, when we be with your breath, what happened? Once first we enter into the no thought state, thoughtless state, and we will connect with our soul's energy and become dynamic, my dear friends. This Kalika Mata energy is in our breath. I know many people who want to commit to suicide, but they came to know about meditation. Then, after they came to know and they started practicing meditation, they became dynamic leaders. From that victim state to dynamic leaders, what a wonderful transformation. And they changed their lives and they changed thousands of people's lives. When we awake our inner dynamism, energy, dynamic energy within us, the dynamic nature within us, we make wonderful change within ourselves from victim to a leader, and we make wonderful changes in people and society and communities. My dear friends, we need to unlock this divine energy, dynamism through our meditation. In many traditions, people do a ceremony called Brahmopadesam, right? Maybe most of you people know what is Brahmopadesam. For kids, we do this ceremony. After they reach to certain age, we do this ceremony, Brahmopadesam. And in that ceremony, people said Gayatri mantra in kids' ear. They teach Gayatri mantra. We all know Gayatri mantra like Om Bhurbhuva Suvaha Tatsa Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. And you may know the meaning of this Gayatri mantra, even though let me just remind you again. And this Brahmopadesa, what is meaning of Brahmopadesa? Wisdom about God. The exodox wisdom about God. So in this Gayatri mantra, there is a wisdom about God. And what is the Gayatri mantra meaning is Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tatsa Viturvarenyam, means we have higher realms, higher words. We are praying those higher words. We have many higher realms, mostly divided into 7. Those 7 is Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Subarloka, Janaloka, Mahaloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. So all these realms, I'm praying these higher realms to guide me. Tatsa Viturvarenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. To my intellect, give me higher wisdom to my intellect to lead me in a proper way, a good direction in our life. To give those wisdom to intellect, I want to access those higher wisdom from higher realms to myself to go forward in a proper way in my life. So that's what the Gayatri mantra means. So let that higher wisdom giving this clarity, how that higher wisdom give clarity. There is another Gayatri mantra to describe this. That is that Gayatri mantra called Hamsa Gayatri. Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Maha Hamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsa Prachodayat. Hamsa means Swasa, my dear friends. Goddess Gayatri Mata is in our breath. Hamsa Gayatri means breath is in our breath. Hamsa is in our breath. Gayatri Mata is in our breath. So to be with that Gayatri Mata, you can get all wisdom of that higher realms. So you can use all that wisdom to go forward in your life. Goddess Gayatri Devi within us as a form of our breathing. There is another mantra, and one more thing, Gayatri Devi pet animal is Hamsa. Hamsa means Swasa. She sat on Hamsa, right? So she sat on our breath, my dear friends. Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Mahahamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsa Prachodayat. So when we are one with our breath, what that means, we one with our divinity and divine nature, we are able to unlock all those divine energies within us. We also heard the word Kriya Yoga, right? What is the Kriya Yoga? My dear friends, if you do something with your intention, that is karma, which is under your control. But sometimes we do something happen within us without our intention, without our influence, interference. Those called kriya, and voluntary, involuntary, auto voluntary things. So voluntarily, there is some things going inside of us. For example, digestion system, blood circulation, breathing, and heart beating. All these are not voluntarily. They're going in us, right? But sometimes we will go without with our intention, so we are not able to make any changes in this kriya. So yoga means being and one with your kriya. There is many kriyas, but those voluntary things are called kriyas, right? But those you are not able to be with all those kriyas, but you are able to be with your swasa kriya, because you are aware how it is going. You are able to be with that. So being with that, our breath is kriya yoga, my dear friends. And there is one nama in Lalita Sahasranamam, Marali Mandagamana, Mahalavanya Sevadihi, Marali Mandagamana. The goddess Mata Lalita will stay in us in a slow, steady flow of breath. But our breath is not always slow and steady, means sometimes with tensions and stress, anxieties, sometimes with the illness, our breath will undergo a lot of changes, shallow breathing, short breath, and deep breaths and normal breath. And sometimes we breathe with our left and right nostril will block, and something we breathe through our left nostril and right is blocked. Just like that, our breath will constantly change. But Lalita Mata will stay in a slow and steady breath. That what means Marali Mandagamana. So our breath will change according to our mindset. When we meditate well, the first happening is that we make our mind empty. And the second happening is lots of cosmic energy enter into our body. And the third happening is with the sufficient of cosmic energy, according to that cosmic energy, sufficient amount of third eye will activate. And because of third eye activation, we become aware of our divine nature. We know what is our divinity, and we access all that higher wisdom. All this process make us lot of transformation, make a lot of transformation within us. So our thinking patterns, understanding levels, everything will change because of that higher wisdom. Therefore, irrespective of outer situation, we are able to maintain ourselves, remain ourselves calm. So our breath will um, flow soft and steady. So when you attain that soft and steady flowing of breath, slow and soft, steady flow of breath, then the Mata Lalita will be in that breath. That is called Marali Mandagamana. With the help of meditation, we can reach that state of Marali Mandagamana, my dear friends. And goddess Lalita Mata pet animal is turtle. Turtle has some unique qualities. We can have spiritual growth by learning those qualities from turtle. What is those qualities? Turtle fold its limbs and head into her body whenever she don't need them, right? So just like that, when you are doing your chores, you can go continue with your chores and everything. Then once you're done with your chores, you don't have anything to do. Just sit in meditation. Turn all your senses inside, just like a turtle. Close your eyes, look inside, clasp your fingers, cross your foot, and go into be with your breath and go inside. Start your inner journey. That's what the pet turtle teaching us. There is infinite wisdom, my dear friends. There's a lot to know about breath. If you breathe through your left nostril, your right is you're not able to reaching from your right. You're only breathing to your left. Observe your breath means you need to align with your life purpose. And your uh, left is good, you're reaching through your left, but your right is blocked. That means what? That means you're in judgment, criticism, and all those things. You have to come out of those judgment, criticism. You need to accept and respect people and accept everything as it is. So you need to change your mindset. That what it means. So you're not reaching with your right. So, my dear friends, there is a lot of wisdom to know about breath, and the main thing today we are going to learn is our breath is our guru, and Mata Kalika is our breath energy, my dear friends. Our soul's energy is our breath, and our breath is our soul's energy. Kalika means our soul, and Kalikamba means soul's energy. Hamsa Kalikamba means breath is our soul's energy. By being with your breath, you can be with your soul energy, my dear friends. So let's do that. Let's be with our soul energy, be with our breath. Let's start meditation, my dear friends. With the help of meditation, we are able to unlock all our soul's energies. Look at the Mata Kalika, how dynamic she is. It is not easy. Without dynamism, we are not able to fight with our darker side. We are not able to warn our darker side, my dear friends. Look at Mata Kalika. She is defeating demons with lot of courage, the dynamic nature. We increase the dynamic nature within ourselves by doing meditation, my dear friends. We defeat our inner demons, enemies within us. Only through meditation we are able to do that because our breath is Kalika Mata. My dear friends, be with your breath. Observe your normal, natural, e.g., soft flow of breathing. Don't inhale or exhale forcefully. Observe your normal, natural flow of breathing. वामपादोल्लसल्लोहा लताकण्टकभूषणा वर्धनामूर्ध्वजा कृष्णा कालरात्रि भयङ्करी. Kalika Devi means soul's energy, and Hamsa Kalika means our breath is soul's energy. And there is many yogis, so many yogis described about our breath. For example, for example, Adi Sankaracharya described about breath in Bhajagovind Sloka. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate, Samprapte Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Drukun Karane, Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate. प्राणायामं प्रत्याहारं नित्यानित्यविवेकविचारं जाप्यसमेत समाधिविधानं कुर्ववदानं महदवदानं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्. प्राणायामं प्रत्याहारम्. Pranayama means observing your normal, natural breath. Sukhamaya pranayama. Pratyaharam means we took food for our physical body. We feed our body with food. But we are not only physical body, my dear friends. We are 7 bodies together. We have subtle bodies, light bodies. And how to feed those bodies? Because all those bodies together make you. So to feed those bodies, we We need cosmic energy. Cosmic energy is pratyahara, my dear friends. And we take those cosmic energy, pratyahara, through pranayama. Pranayamam pratyaharam nitya nitya viveka vicharam. Nitya anitya viveka vicharam. What is nitya? What is permanent? What is impermanent? Where we need to put our focus and energy on? We are able to put our focus and energy on proper things with that viveka vicharam, with that intellectual wisdom. We get that intellectual wisdom through meditation and through pratyahara, my dear friends. Observing your normal natural flow of breathing will give you pratyahara, and pratyahara will give you nitya viveka vicharam, means common sense. Japya sameta samadhi vidhanam. With that wisdom, with that intellectual wisdom, if you live according to that wisdom, if you apply all those intellectual wisdom into your life, Japya Sameta Samadhi Vidhanam, with awareness, apply all those wisdom into your life. Then Kurvavadanam Mahadavadanam. That is the great Avadhanam, my dear friends. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudhamate. What a wonderful sloka about pranayama, about our breath, my dear friends, about meditation. And Mata Kalika, Devi energies is dynamism. We are able to unlock that dynamic energy within us only through observing our breath. Our breath is soul's energy. Last 30 seconds. Vamapadollasalloha lata kantaka bhushana Vardhanamurdhvaja Krishna Kalaratri Bhayankari Vamapadollasalloha Lata Kantaka Bhushana Vardhanamurdhvaja Krishna Kalaratri Bhayankari. Slowly place your hands on your eyes for 4 seconds. Touch your eyes with your fingertips. And whenever you're ready to open your eyes, take your hands up and open your eyes, my dear friends. Wonderful. Thank you so much for participating with us in this wisdom journey. My heartfelt gratitude to all of you. And thank you for sharing this wisdom with all your friends and family members and your neighbors, because we need to share whatever we have, my dear friends. That is the prosperity consciousness. So I am sharing whatever my wisdom is with you. And please share whatever you know. Share this video with your friends and with your family members. That's what we need to do. That is the symbol of our prosperity consciousness. Whatever we give and more, 10 times more, we will receive that. So please share this wisdom with all your friends, my dear friends. Thank you so much. For more wisdom, subscribe to PMC USC and PMC Multilingual and Wisdom Light channels. And we'll meet you again tomorrow with more wisdom. Bye-bye.